In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Fortnite OG not launching problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. Before moving on to the solutions, we will check if Windows and our graphics card are up to date. Right-click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Then click on Windows Update. If there are any updates to download the update. Similarly, check if your graphics card is up to date by clicking Check for updates. Now we can move on to the first solution. The first solution is to change Fortnite's compatibility settings. To do this, open Epic Games and click on the three dots next to Fortnite. Then click on Manage and select Open Install Location. Here, we need to double click on the Fortnite game folder, the binaries folder and the Win64 folder. Inside the Win64 folder, we should find 4 files with Fortnite icons. We scroll down and locate these files. Now we will change the compatibility settings for these files. Right click on a file and then click Properties. After that, click on Compatibility. What we need to do now is to check Run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8. After that, also we tick Disable full screen optimizations. Then click Apply and OK. We perform this process for the other files with Fortnite logos as well. We have changed Fortnite's compatibility settings. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. If the issue persists, let's move on to the second solution. The second solution is to verify Fortnite. Before doing this, we will delete the files that we changed compatibility settings for. If you have closed the folder, open it again. Once we have reopened the folder, delete the files with Fortnite logos. Don't worry, after the verification process, these deleted files will be reinstalled. After deleting the files, we open Epic Games and verify Fortnite through the Manage section. This process may take some time. We have verified Fortnite. As you can see, the files we deleted are here now. You can now check if the problem is solved or not. If the issue persists, let's move on to the final solution. The third solution is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Easy Anti-Cheat could be the cause of Fortnite not launching. If that's the case, repairing Easy Anti-Cheat should resolve the problem. To do this, open Epic Games and click on Open Install Location in the Manage section. Then, open the Win64 folder in the same way. As you can see here, there are 2 Easy Anti-Cheat folders. In one of these folders, you will find the file we need to open, which is Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Double click on it to open. After that, we choose Current and click on Repair Service. We have repaired Easy Anti-Cheat. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, first completely delete Fortnite, then Epic Games, and reinstall Epic and Fortnite again. A clean installation will solve the problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.